Hey guys, Trent here from How to Haven with another quick tutorial, and today I'm going to be showing you a potential fix for an issue where your songs are not loading in the Spotify desktop program or web app. And it's a known issue with Spotify, but hopefully this can help fix it for you. So what you're going to do is go to Notepad, and you want to run as administrator and just hit yes when you get the pop-up. And you're going to get this page, and you want to go to File, Open, and navigate to your local disk, your C drive right here. Go to Windows, and go down to System 32. And then you're going to look for the drivers folder, which is down here. And then you want to go to etc. And you probably won't see anything. So what you want to do is go down here and switch from text documents to all files. And look for the folder called hosts. Double click it to open it or right click it, and you should get something like this. And you want to go down here, and you'll see something like this with like an IP address, and then a website name or something as such. And you want to find any entries that have Spotify. Yours will probably look different than mine because this is just an example. But anything with Spotify in the name, you want to just delete, remove them, hit save, and close. You can restart your computer and Spotify just to be safe, and hopefully this will fix the problem for you. Anyways, guys, I hope this helped. Drop a like, leave a comment. Thank you.